In this video, I'm going to talk about our multi-channel ads program and how this program will really help you fuel growth for your brand and your business. Let's jump in. So to put it simply, you can't control where people spend their time, but you can control if you're there. And that's multi-channel advertising at the end of the day. And here's the deal. Every day you're not there when somebody's looking, you're losing sales. And so we want to fix that. So our multi-channel ad program really helps you capture market share by helping you stay in front of the right audience at the right time, in the right place, with the right message. And that's the key to marketing. And the multi-channel ads program helps you do that. So here's a high level visual of what that looks like. We can do search ads on Google and Bing, social ads on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. We can do local ads on the Google Maps, local service ads on Google. We can also do Waze ads using the Waze app. We can run shopping ads on Google and Bing Shopping. We can do retargeting ads, which display across the Google Display Network, which is thousands of websites online, including YouTube and also the social media channels. We can do video ads and audio ads on YouTube and digital TV and radio like Spotify. We can do billboard ads, so digital billboards along the highways. We have access to thousands of those billboards. We can help you out there. And then lastly, we can provide all the reporting on all of these channels in one place, which makes it just so easy for you to see how you're performing no matter what the ad channel is. So let me dive into these a little bit deeper and explain each of these in somewhat more detail. So first off, we can help you stay top of search. So every day you're not on top, you're losing sales. And so the key here is to be on top of Google and Bing for your very best search terms and keywords. So when somebody types that in on Google, boom, you're there. And our program with our search ads allows you to do that and really pinpoint those specific keywords that people might be searching to find your brand. We can also run and make sure you're at the top of search with ads for your brand name. So your brand name is something that is a huge return on investment. You don't want a competitor to be above you when they search your brand name. You want to be on top. No matter how somebody types in your brand name, they could misspell it, put the wrong words in there, add additional words to that, like your brand name reviews, why choose your brand name. Phrases like this we can target so that you always show up when somebody's searching your brand name. You'll be able to see all your ads and all these search terms in the platform and how you're performing anytime you want 24/7. A dedicated ad specialist will be managing these for you, which is an expert at managing ads, not just on search, but on all the channels I'm going to talk about here today. And also you'll have a dedicated marketing success manager, which will help continually give you ideas on strategy, maybe terms you haven't thought of that could help generate sales and a great return on investment. We generally are going to focus on your top products and services that have the best return on investment for you, maybe the best profit margins. And we're going to really try to drive those sales to you if at all possible so that you see the best return that you can. We're going to continually optimize your campaigns based on data so that you see better and better results over time. So 6 months in are better results than month 1, 12 months in are better results than month 6. 24 months is better results than month 12. That's the strategy that we're always pursuing to help grow your brand. We're also going to help you sell more products with shopping ads. So if you have any online products that people can buy on an online shopping cart, we're going to help promote that. So make sure when people are searching on Google Shopping and Bing Shopping, your products are popping up. So they're ultimately seeing you, they're finding your products, they're finding your brands, and it's easy to go to your site, buy, and check out. That's our goal. So we're going to help manage all those campaigns and also everything that I just talked about in terms of seeing all the data in the platform, having experts work on your account, all apply here as well. We're also going to help build your local presence. So if you have a local presence or a physical location especially, we're going to help make sure that you're targeting and growing your brand on the Google Maps. Also, maybe the Waze app we can tap into. We can even do local service ads, which help generate leads for you in a local market. And so we're going to manage all those campaigns for you as well to make sure that you're getting the results that you're looking for. We also can help you harness the power of social media by managing social media campaigns for you across Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, or all three, to make sure that you have the right types of messaging, beautiful branded ads that are helping target your brand, build awareness, and really highlight your top products and services, which eventually lead to sales. We'll also help amplify your results with retargeting. So, generally, when somebody sees your brand for the first time, they don't buy. They usually have to see your brand two, three, four, sometimes as many as seven or more times before they actually buy. So, retargeting accomplishes that. So, after they see your brand on your website, maybe they go to your website, maybe they see you on Google, maybe they see you on social media. Once that happens, they are added into your retargeting list automatically, and then we will follow them online with ads about your brand no matter where they go. So this is just keeping you top of mind, renting space in their mind. So when they need the products and services you sell, they think of you first and they buy from you. That's the value of retargeting. It just gets those views and those impressions that are needed to build that awareness and trust so that they eventually choose you. And we can manage all those campaigns for you to help drive those results that you're looking for. We'll also help you with ads on YouTube and or digital TV and radio. So YouTube is hugely used. It's the second largest search engine in the world. People are constantly watching videos on YouTube. It really is the new TV, and we can target your target audience in your specific area or your specific interests and run ads on YouTube. These are essentially mini commercials for your brand. And you've all seen the video that plays at the beginning and then you can skip it and watch the video you're trying to watch. That's a mini commercial. So we can run ads for you that are mini commercials there. We can also target certain videos and topics on YouTube so that your videos are also showing up as the next video to watch, stuff like that. We can even target digital radio and TV, so traditional TV called OTT ads. We can tap into that network, and we can also run ads on Spotify. So people listening to podcasts or anything on Spotify, we can run ads for your brand there as well, targeting your specific area or your demographics. We can even get you on digital billboards. So we've all seen digital billboards on the highway as we're driving down the road. There's a digital billboard there, rotating ads. We can get you onto those billboards. You'll be able to see where we have digital billboards and if there's one in your area. And if there is, we'll be able to get your brand on that digital billboard. And the beautiful thing is everything is managed and accessed through one platform, Marketing 360. So within Marketing 360, you can see all your ads, all your performance, everything in one place. No more do you need to log into Google Ads and then log into Facebook ads and then log into LinkedIn ads and then try to figure out how to get on a billboard. All those complexities go away. You can do it all through one platform. And the beauty is you have a dedicated team that does it all for you. So you can just help dictate the strategy, provide your feedback, make sure that everything is on point and on target, and ultimately focus on running your business while we focus on advertising campaigns for your brand and growing your business. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful in helping you better understand our multi-channel ads program. We encourage you to give us a call, talk to one of our marketing consultants. They're standing by to help advise you and provide strategies and ideas to help you grow your brand. And whether you work with us or not, it should be valuable information for you. It's 100% free, so give us a call. We appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. Happy marketing and have a great day.